Ooh. Planet Saturn. The one with the rings. We got a bunch of smoke coming in, and so this might be the last view that we get for a while. Let me see if I can get a little higher. Well, this telescope doesn't want to go up. You can see the rings. That's pretty cool. Ooh, that's cool. I lost it. Oh, I think it's coming. There it is. Peekaboo. I'm on my lunch break right now at work, so if you hear a bunch of noise in the background, that's what that is. Ooh, this is gonna be a good one. Nice. Oh, look at that. That's so clear. You can see totally the difference between the rings and the planet itself. And almost make out the Cassini division. That's so cool. Now, let's try and get one more of those. I'm so shaky. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's a little low, but still. Alright, I say we move on to Jupiter. Try and see some of the moons. I don't think we'll be able to see the cloud bands, but we'll definitely see the moons. Look how tiny that thing is. Okay. Let's go to a different planet. Alright, tell me when it pops up. You guys see anything? Maybe? Oh, hey, there it is. So we got 4 moons there. I'm assuming that the one on the right is Io, or Io, the closest one, zooming around at like, what, 27,000 kilometers a second? Or, sorry, 27,000 kilometers an hour, my bad. And, yeah, it's a really fast-moving moon. You can almost make out some stripe details, but yeah. It's a beautiful planet. So we're looking through a 10-inch Dobsonian. This is powered by yogurt and eggs. I got to move it myself, just so you know. There's no motors or anything like that, no electricity. Oh, maybe lost a little bit of focus there. Ooh, cool. So that means I get to play with the focuser, my favorite thing. I love doing that. All right. Let's zoom in. And actually, that looks pretty focused. That's pretty cool. I love those moons. Well, that's a big truck. That's out of focus. Let's fix that. There we go. So yeah, this is what planet Jupiter looks like tonight through our 10-inch Dobsonian. I tried to get my variable filter set up so that we could just dim it, but nah. This telescope was like, I ain't playing with that thing. Oh, hello, mosquito. You want to come and play with my blood streams? No, thank you. Yeah, Jupiter's got 79 moons and counting. They keep discovering more. Hopefully we'll discover one, right? What would you name your moon if you discovered it? I would probably name mine, ooh, that's a button. Or, I don't know. Probably name it after some astronomer. Archimedes, that's what I'd name my moon. All right, I think I got to get back to work. But before I go, let's see if we can zoom in on, I don't know, let's see, what else? Let's just go back to Saturn. Just want to have one more look at that. Because that was pretty. All right, we're going back to Saturn. Sorry, everyone. Oh, there it is. Look at that. See, I love these telescopes because you can just move them. You don't have to dial anything in. You don't have to mess with the motor's balance or anything. Well, you got to do a little bit of balancing, but otherwise, yeah, you just point and shoot and boom, you got a whole planet in your view. It's pretty cool. Oh, cool. Hello. Welcome back, Michelle. Oh, come back here. Where are you going? See if I could just make it brighter. Oh, we could see the moon tighten. That'd be so cool. But, you know, I'm pretty satisfied with a couple billion little ice chunks floating around the planet. That's pretty cool, too. Here, I'll get it a little higher, and then we'll do one more pass. I'll zoom in on it, and we'll call it good. Maybe I'll come back out here when the moon gets a little higher, and we'll do this again. I'll show you some of the craters of the moon. Right now, the moon's behind a tree, and I rather like the tree, so it can stay. It's a little out of focus. Oh, perfect. Hey Reed, what's up? Come look at, if you can get up here.
Hop over.
I would go in front of the telescope. Over this way. But watch out, there's a lot of berry bushes.
Yeah.
Things that are gonna snag you. Okay, hello, this is Reed, everybody.
Oh.
Oh no, I lost Saturn, I lost the whole entire planet. Okay, let me know when it shows up.
Here it is.
Oh, wow, that's dead center. Cool. Can you make out a little bit of the shadow there on the ring? To the bottom right?
Maybe? Oh, yeah, just barely.
Isn't this magical? This is a pretty good spot, honestly.
Yeah?
And yeah, once the moon pops up, we can start doing that. Well, yeah, what do you think of this view, though?
So clear.
That's pretty cool, right? That's like a little National Geographic photo or something.
I guess it's not really surprising, but it always surprises me how fast it moves out of frame.
I know, Earth is rotating a little too fast. Oh. You know, the days are not long enough. I can almost make out a line in the rings as if it's two separate rings. That's the Cassini division. It's so pretty. Do you want to see Jupiter real quick?
Sure.
Okay. We'll do one more pass of this, let this drift by, and then I'll go back to Jupiter. I know I will get back to work at some point. Maybe I'll just go straight into looking at them. No, I think I'm supposed to be getting food at some point. I'm not sure. I think I ordered something. I don't remember. Oh yeah, you got the gloves for that. Okay, we're going to Jupiter. Unless you all done with Saturn? One more. Okay, one more.
Just
That's a pretty crisp view.
Yeah.
I feel like.
And that's just stuck on the regular eyepiece.
Yeah, I'm using a ×2 Barlow as well, and a moon filter. Instagram just loves to brighten things up as much as it can go.
Right.
All right, I'm gonna go over to Jupiter now, again, for funsies. Tell me when it's there.
There it is. It's kind of.
Nice.
It's almost there.
Isn't this thing super like just versatile, like or easy to move?
Right.
Oh, there's a little bush pushing it.
Yank some out of the way on that other end.
Maybe. Come back out here with a
You can
machete.
see some of the moons too.
Mm-hmm. Tee. Okay, so here's Jupiter and the 4 Galilean moons. And yeah, if you go outside and look towards the south, I believe, if you're in the north, you'll see 2 brighter stars. The brighter one on the right, towards the west, towards the sunset, is if it's sunset for you. I know it's not sunset for everybody right now. If it's more towards where the sun sets, that's Jupiter. That's the brighter one is Jupiter, and then the one to the left of that is Saturn. That's what we were looking at. So you can go outside right now and look up in the sky and see what we're looking at with your own eyes. Is my car in a good spot? Okay. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. Whoa, big Jupiter. But I can't get the stripes, you see?
Is that just too much?
It's just too much exposure.
Yeah.
One day we'll figure this out. Alrighty, I gotta get back to work. Thanks everybody for joining in. Space! Ah! Love you! Alright, I'll probably come back out in another hour or two to look at the moon. Just because. And feel free to join me. Bye!